What is up, guys? In today's video I'm going to part score. Right here is the big carbon fiber side skirts. I'm going over there so they can install it, and then the black M4CS emblem, we're installing that too over there, just so they can do a better job than I can. But the rest of it I'm just gonna install right after I get the car back. So I'll drop this car off, and then in just a split second you guys will see it on there. So we'll see you at part score. Just arrived to part score. So many BMWs. Time to park next to this one. I'll see you guys when the side skirts are on.
The next day.
She's all done. She's all done. Side skirts installed. And the new emblem right here, blacked out. I'll throw in a before right here when it's at the shop, and then right now I'll post the after with the side skirts on and everything. First mods are installed: carbon side skirt and the black emblem. Stay tuned for the next video. I'll be installing a few parts myself in the garage. So I'll see you guys next week on Wednesday. Peace.